रामनवमी की आप सब लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. अ वेरी वेरी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड अ वेरी विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी रामनवमी. जितने भी कभी कभी फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं एंड कोइंसिडेंटली दिस टाइम ये कोरोना के समय रामनवमी आया तो इसका बहुत बड़ा एक सिग्निफिकेंस है. सो आई वांट द यूथ एंड यंगस्टर शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस सिग्निफिकेंस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज हम इनको एक रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल मना के छोड़ देते हैं, बट इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट अ रिलीजन. लॉर्ड राम इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, it's a symbol of self management. How come? A person who belongs to, who is a son of a king and the most appropriate person who has to rule the kingdom, कई ने जब उनसे शर्त मांग ली महाराजा दशरथ से, he has to be sent to जंगल, बनवास मिल गया 14 साल का. Being the most ideal husband, most caring husband, is not able to devote rest of his life with the wife. और जंगल में भी कोई लाइफ अच्छी नहीं रही. It has been a very struggling life. Though it looks very good, yaar, we'll go to jungle and we'll enjoy, but it has been a very struggling life. After all this struggle, Lord Ram has always cherished each and everything wholeheartedly. This is an example of self-management, and that is why he has become an idol and we portray him as a god, and that is why we want to take a lot of things from him. So it is not an issue of a morality ki bhai it's a religion of Hinduism so you should celebrate. No. See, I know, I'll tell you very honestly, a lot of people who know me that I am a person who is never like a very possessive about religion. Abhi if you talk about, आप किसी भी religion की बात करो यार, for example if you talk about let's say Gurudwara, Guru Gobind Singh, he is a person who's a symbol of that one can, how one can without selfless, one can think of sacrificing something. So it's symbol of sacrifice, selfless sacrifice. So every instance comes with a very important learning, but we need to understand. और ये रामनवमी हमारे को एक छोटी सी चीज़ सिखाता है. अभी जो कोरोना में, as I said earlier, that it is a test of self-management. This corona is also the test of our self-management. How we are able to manage ourselves, right? क्योंकि if we have to stay at home, that is something that we have to self-manage ourselves. हम अपने आप को कितने सुंदर तरीके से मैनेज कर रहे हैं, right? और घर पे मैनेज करते करते ही so many people in the country, across the world, they are getting restless. So there you take it as an inspiration example of Lord Rama, rather just following him ki Bhagwan Ram, or you are just going in a morality. I don't want you to stuck up in an issue of a morality, that there is a moral values attached to it. No, it is just a very simple understanding and a logic. Someone who is a epitome of self management, you must take an inspiration from that person as a very strong learning. And Lord Rama is an epitome of self management, because a person who was right from his childhood, in childhood if you talk about, he was the one who was sent to Gurukul. Once he comes back, he was the most ideal person to be the king, a son of a king and the most beloved son, but sent for 14 years of vanvas, 14 years in jungle, goes to the jungle, most ideal husband, comes back and is not able to spend rest of the life with the wife. Sita ke saath rest of the life nahi spend kar paye, right? And within the jungle also, the whole life, the whole 14 years have been very struggling, and that is for the wife only. Fighting. Whole lifespan has been a big struggle. Still, there has never been, if you try to see his life, अगर आप लाइफ को देखने की कोशिश करो, बड़ी sorted और बड़ी calm life रही है. This also tells us two important things. Number one, yes, Lord Rama is the epitome of inspiration for self-management. Second, it also tells you second thing, that everything which is there, the self-management art is within you, and that's what Lord Rama is trying to convey to all of us. So if we talk about this Ram Navami, I certainly wanted last night when I was sitting. So you guys have received my update that I'll come 9 a.m. So that's why I thought that we are doing this journey every day. But this is a very important part of a journey, because when you will be doing any journey of success, career, life, business, entrepreneurship, everything requires a self-management, right? And अभी पॉइंट क्या है कि दैट रिक्वायर्स अ सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट, बट यू मस्ट नो द फेस्टिवल विच यू आर सेलिब्रेटिंग, दैट itself is one of the very big symbol of self management. And if I talk about myself, to be very honest, it is never an issue of a morality. मैं सारे religions को यार बड़े न्यूट्रल पर्सपेक्टिव से देखता हूँ, बीट एवर अ रिलीजन ऑफ हिंदुइज्म, सिखिज्म, जैनिज्म, if you talk about Christ also. So the overall idea to all of you I would always suggest is, हर एक चीज में कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा रखा है, and there is an inspiration and learning behind it. So I always suggest and I would always request you that one should always strive for that inspiration, that what is the core of that inspiration. अब रामनवमी हर किसी को पता है, शायद आप लोगों ने घर में आप हर बारी इसको सेलिब्रेट भी करते हैं, या यू जस्ट से कि हाँ जी रामनवमी है आज, बट व्हाट इज द कोर ऑफ इट? सो द कोर इज द सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट. और इसी सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट की वजह से जो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट ओनली, जो गवर्नमेंट ने अभी हर रोज 2 घंटा रामायण अनाउंस करा है लॉकआउट में, वो रामायण भी इसलिए ही अनाउंस करी है क्योंकि जो रामायण है, रामायण इज एक्चुअली अ स्टोरी based upon a hero. Why I am saying a story? Because a lot of youngsters take it as a story, right? Or I'll say it is a mythology of one such person who is the epitome inspiration for self management, and that's the great learning we must take it. तो रामनवमी को अगर सही मायने में सेलिब्रेट करना है, if you really want to celebrate रामनवमी in a certain way, then I would suggest you that the best way is that you really must look how much self-managed you are. If you are really self-managed from within, then that really means that yes, certain way you are able to touch the core of that, and not the core of a religion, a core of the very very specific quality of a less ordinary person who is an idol and an epitome for self management. तब आप कह सकते हैं, जैसे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे यार, वी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वन थिंग, हम कभी भी किसी चीज को जब फॉलो करते हैं ना, तो हम इसलिए नहीं फॉलो करते, हम कभी उस इंसान को नहीं फॉलो करते. आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. आप लोग रोज रात को आते हो, लेट्स से लॉट ऑफ पीपल जॉइन एवरी नाइट. डू यू फॉलो मी आइडली? नो, इट्स नॉट जस्ट दैट यू फॉलो मी. द वेरी कोर इज इन डेप्थ. इफ आई से you follow that learning, you really enjoy that learning, that is why you follow it, right? Why do you go to any other place? Let's say if I say why do you follow, if someone says yaar I follow for example a Gurdwara, I follow a Steve Jobs, to whomsoever you are following, that is okay that you make a person an entity, क्योंकि हम कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते ना कि हम किसको फॉलो करते हैं, बट आइडली हम उस एंटिटी को नहीं फॉलो करते, उस एंटिटी के पीछे जो उसकी खासियत होती है, जो उसका काम होता है, जो जिस चीज की वो इंस्पिरेशन होता है, उसको फॉलो करते हैं. इन द सेम वे लॉर्ड रामा इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी बिग इंस्पिरेशन एंड एन एपिटोम ऑफ सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट. एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट along with saying happy Ramnavami to all of you, I would also request all of you that take this Ramnavami as a very strong inspiration and a learning of self-management, and show this self-management in your daily life, number one, and also this self-management in your fulfilling and discovering your passion, because everywhere self-management is required. And thirdly, country requires self-management right now, because right now country is asking us to fulfill our duty as a citizen, so we need self management, then only we can do it. So I would request each of you to really take this as an inspiration, and once again a very happy Ramnavami to all of you, and it is my wish and Almighty's blessings that this Ramnavami will bring lot of self management within yourself, and you will be able to touch the core of self management, not in like your success life, but in your daily life. So self-management is all about you. I want to wake up at 5 o'clock. I want to do this, and then I want to do this. Then I want to do this. So everything that you want to do it, everything goes by your command. Self-management is all about, it goes by my command. So let's say if I am in a situation where I do not have any facilities, but if I want to remain happy, I will remain happy. As simple as that. I am in a situation where, let's say, I am into not having a great food, right? But without great food also, if I want to remain happy, genuinely I can be. Because I cannot, if I command myself, I can command and I can manage myself in such a way, in certain way, where food cannot be the reason to drive my experience of life. Correct? मतलब खाना मेरी लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं बताएगा यार. आई विल टेल द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माई लाइफ. दिस इज सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट इज ऑल अबाउट. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, सबसे सुंदर बात क्या है? इट हैज टू बी द सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट इज ऑलवेज व्हेन यू एम्ब्रेस इट. एज आई ऑलवेज सेड ना, you have to embrace the time. So self management is all about embracing it. So if you take the best example again, today is Ram Navami. Lord Rama when sent for 14 years to jungle, जब 14 साल का बनवास हुआ, उनसे बहुत सारे लोगों ने पूछा कि भगवान राम आप तो इतने अयोध्या के राजा हो, you are the king of Ayodhya, why you are roaming in this jungle? He never said कि मेरी जो माँ ककई ने वो शर्त रख करके मुझे यहाँ भेजा है. He never said this because he always knew it will going to have a bad mouth for the mother. So what he said कि मैं पिता की आज्ञा से यहाँ आया हूँ. My father has ordered me as a part of a training to be in a jungle. This is the idea. The self-management is he genuinely embraced the commandment of being into the jungle for 14 years. It was not that कि जबरदस्ती ले लिया. आज हमें कोई ये कहते यार 2 दिन कमरे से बाहर मत निकलना, let's say, can you imagine what will happen to you? So you will feel like कि these people are like against me. ये तो बिल्कुल गलत है. This is what happens with us ना. If I ask you कि 2 दिन कमरे में रहो, will you be able to take it? Tell me, yes or no, will you be able to take it? If I say just, if let's say your parents or anyone say कि भाई 2 दिन कमरे में लॉक कर दो, या अपने आप को 2 दिन कमरे में लॉक रखना, so you will be like very aggressive कि भाई why I should be in the room, मैंने ऐसा क्या कर दिया. So what I am trying to tell you is, if someone has asked you to be in 2 days in the room, within the same room, how you will going to manage yourself, it's all about self management. And once again, self-management is all about embracing time and determining your own quality of experience, where all the things which are there in front of you, they do not determine your quality of experience. They do not let you drive your life. They do not let you deteriorate the quality of life you have. चलिए ठीक है. So once again यार, wishing you all a very very happy Ram Navami. And my happy Ram Navami would be with the perspective that this Ram Navami gives you, it is my wish and Almighty's blessing that you must get showered with lot of self-management, and that self-management will genuinely enable you to become a less ordinary person, will enable you to discover your passion, will enable you to fulfill your passion, will enable you to become a very sorted and a very happy person in life, will enable you to become a person who will going to become an inspiration for others and set an example in its own way for the specialization that you will going to have. But it's all about self-management. It's all about self-management. Leadership is all about self-management. Alright, chaliye, wishing you all once again happy Ram Navami and lots of self-management to you. Bye bye, take care, thank you, and see you guys in the evening on the QA session. Bye bye, take care.